How to draw Timmy Turner, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Timmy Turner, we're going to begin by drawing a circle right here towards the center of our page. This will be the outline of the first eye. Nice! Now we're going to draw a second smaller circle on the inside of what we just drew. This will be the pupil. Now a little to the right of the eye that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the nose by making a small backward C-like shape that is pointing slightly upward. Now connected to the eye that we first drew, along with the nose, we're going to draw the second eye. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new drawing community, then you're in the right place. Well done! So far we're making great progress. Now we're going to draw the mouth along with the two big teeth. Now we'll draw the teeth right underneath of this big line that we just drew. The teeth will be connected and they'll come to a sharp point with a small line in between separating them. Nicely done! Now on the left side of everything that we just made, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the face by making a small line with the ear attached to it by using a C-like shape with the second line on the bottom of the ear. Now on the bottom point of that line, we're going to draw the ear just like I previously mentioned by using a C-like shape. Now from the bottom points of that ear, we're going to draw a slanted line going down. This will help make the neck of Timmy Turner. Well done! Now on the inside of the ear, we're going to add in a small swirl for detail. Now for the next step, right above each of the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. The eyebrows will look similar to slanted rectangles. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Fantastic! So just looking at our drawing, it's all kind of open, so we're going to go ahead and close it off by drawing the outline of the face. We're going to go ahead and connect those two eyebrows that we just drew, along with make a big backward C-like shape on the right side of the face, just to connect everything. Nice! Next we're going to draw Timmy Turner's hat. We're not going to be able to draw the entire hat just yet because the hair is not finished. But once we're finished drawing the hair, then we'll be able to come back and finish drawing the hat. And if you're enjoying today's video, be sure to let us know by giving it a big like. How cool! We're making great progress. Now that we have the hat drawn, we can go ahead and draw the hair. The hair will have two big main pieces that come out, with the second piece coming out the farthest. Now that we're all done drawing the hair, we can go ahead and finish drawing the hat by connecting it to the hair that we just drew together. Fantastic! Now we're all done drawing the head. For the next step, we're going to draw the body. For the first step of drawing the body, we're just going to simply draw the first arm as well as hand. On the hand that we draw, it will appear as if Timmy Turner only has 3 fingers. To make these fingers, we're just going to draw 2 small lines to help separate the fingers. Now to draw the outline of the shirt, we're just going to make a big backwards L-like shape that is connected to the hand. And to draw the second arm sleeve, we're just going to draw a small shape that is connected from the shirt to the head. And coming out of this arm sleeve, we're just going to draw a skinny rectangular shape going up and down for the arm. We're not going to draw a hand on this side because it'll appear as if the hand is behind Timmy Turner. Now last but not least, we're just going to draw the legs and feet. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I hope your drawing turned out great. Don't forget that if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big like. And if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe as well. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.